How to fix GTA Online cannot join session. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your Rockstar server status. Go to status.rockstargames.com and make sure all services are up and running. It could also be an internet connection. Simply go ahead and restart your router, modem, and use a wired connection for the best results. Also, you can check your NAT type. Open NAT type is the best. Change your NAT type to open in your router settings, or you can simply call your ISP. Also, you can simply go ahead and restart your game and device both, or even clear cache. You can also go ahead into your command prompt and type in these codes, which is going to be ipconfig /flushdns. If you haven't already updated your GTA 5 Rockstar Launcher or your system software to the latest version, simply go ahead and update those as well. And if you're using any kind of VPNs or proxies, make sure that you are disabling that. At last, you want to simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.